Try and keep up with Marco today as well.
Good morning, I'm rushing around because we're going to go soon. Out with Rafa today, doing like 80k or so over my favourite climb, Dovies. So yeah, sun's out, looks good. Looks like a fast bunch though, and I'm feeling a bit snotty if I'm honest. So let's see if I'm alright to hold up with them.
Happy? Any questions? No worries. Has everyone got the route, by the way? Just in case. Okay. Although we're not using it at the minute. Yeah. Yeah. The car park, yeah.
How are the shorts doing?
Good. I'm not warm.
Cozy.
Not cold. Not cold. It's warm, isn't it?
I just took my gloves off actually. Ripped them off.
Here's Matt. I don't like them. It's too big for me, it's too much food. I didn't expect
That is huge. Oh no, I'm good, thank you. Yeah, it might slow down.
Might be a way to
Let's hope so.
give everyone else a chance. We actually get a few down here.
Oh, step. So today's ride, God, there are some fast people on this ride, and I'm not feeling 100%. And so I want to chat to you today about being the last one on a ride, because I have been the very last on many a ride and a good couple of races as well. And that you only get faster by being the one at the back, because if you just don't go out because you don't want to be the one at the back, then you never push yourself to improve. And I actually like that I was at the back, and I also think it makes you a lot more understanding when other people at the back, because you know how that feels. I think if you've always been someone that's really fast, you don't know the pain of being the very last one and how crap you feel. So it's a bit like sheepy, isn't it? Hello, it's me. I am editing the video, and I just want to talk a little bit more about being dropped, because I don't know how new you are to my channel. If you are new, hello, greetings. But yeah, I started out, I was 35 kilos heavier than I am now. I was like I was always dropped. I was always the last person in any group ride for probably the first 2 years of riding. And I found this clip of me in Thailand just basically being at the back. This was the first festival in 2014, and if you just look, I am completely at the back of every single person cycling to Doisa Tep that morning.
Alex. Where's the bananas? It's got the same program, like. Ready?
So the reason that I wanted to show you that is because I didn't even care that I was at the back. I was happy just to be out riding. And I kind of talk about this now because I get quite a few questions from people saying, am I fast enough to join a club? Or I've joined a club and I'm always at the back. Like, should I go back? And I'm like, yes, you should absolutely go back, because the reason that I've got fitter and I'm not always at the back anymore is because I've been riding with people that are way faster than me, and I've had to get fitter, and I have got fitter, and I've put the hours in to get fitter. I'm not saying I'm always like, I still get dropped, as you saw. I didn't feel very well though, hence I still don't feel very well, hence why I look like this. But yeah, every cyclist has been dropped, so don't let your fear of being at the back put you off riding and actually improving your cycling, because it will improve your cycling riding with people that are faster than you. So I just thought I would add that into the video. Yeah, I reckon that's it. Let me know of your tales of being dropped, If they've got any funny ones, that'd be quite good to have a little giggle over, because we've all done it, we've all been there. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, so I'll see you in the next video.